Hey everyone, this is Kenny here. Today is just going to be a short talk. I just want to say this out actually. I don't know whether you all out there sometimes is any one of you feels like whatever you do, whatever you try to explain, when you try to explain you make things worse. You know? Maybe it's because the way you speak or the what you write, right, people actually misinterpret. And then when this happens, right, when you are faced with a lot of choices, sometimes it's burnout. What you do is that you just disappear from the face of social media, from seeing your friends, from going out with your friends. You just focused on the things that you need to do. Sometimes the thing that you need to do is to heal from your burnout, or to work on a project. Say for example, you are working on a book, so you don't want any distraction, or you're working on a business that requires your full attention right now, so you don't want any distraction. So the more you are sharing with the people that what you're working on, and how you actually need a rest, take away from the world, the more people try to tell you that maybe that's not the correct thing for you. I think, have you all feel that? You know, it gets a bit very tiring because the more you share with people, the more it becomes complicated. The more it's harder for you to actually concentrate on what you're not supposed to do. I so this is what has been happening. Whenever I feel that I need to heal, right, I need to burn out, right, I'm burnt out, and then I need to work on something. What I do is that I usually will just disappear from the world. I will not hang out with my friends. I will not go to places that maybe meet. I will not meet people. I don't like to meet people, and I will just work on the things and without sharing them on social media or anywhere, just like this, you know. So much so people will be asking, "Hey Kenny, actually what you do?" But then I'll be disappearing for months on end. It used to be much easier last time when social media is not that rampant. I mean, the use of social media is not that rampant. But lately, as I'm experimenting lah, of course, I find that um, I'm not the only one, I guess, that does this. So whenever people actually just disappear from my life, right, and just come back whenever they feel like, I understand how they feel. So when you see them, right, wow, sometimes suddenly, wow, got six pack already. Wow, sometimes suddenly, getting married. Suddenly, got business already. So got a business, a thriving business. So yes, I understand the need to withdraw from distractions and also to concentrate. So what am I trying to share with you here in this video today is that it's okay, okay? It's okay to just withdraw yourself, concentrate on what you need to do, and come back when you feel recharged, you know? Because instead of spending time like sharing with people to explain to them, maybe sometimes that the advice that you receive from them you already tried and it doesn't work, okay? Or some people who they misunderstand that that is what you're trying to portray, just disappear and do and show them that you're okay lah. Sometimes, so in this social media age also, it's actually make it harder lah. So I've like left a lot of WhatsApp groups, left a lot of Telegram groups, left a lot of Facebook groups. All these groups all nothing to do with me one. Uh, I also don't want to join anymore. So if you are in the same position, right, I suggest that you actually focus on yourself. Alright, you need to disappear. You don't need to explain to yourself. Uh, then again, it comes to this point where you have loved ones, parents who are very concerned, like my parents. I tell you, if you tell them, they also worry. You don't tell them, they also worry. So sometimes I also don't know what to talk to them. Sometimes you tell them that you need time to process things, and you need the time to figure it out alone. They get worried, and yeah, to watch this, your parents actually worry for you, right? It's not a good feeling to me, because I don't want them to worry. I want them to know that everything is okay, and I'm actually dealing it in my own way lah. So in these days, right, I try to express myself more. I think it will help also for us to express ourselves more. Not to everybody, to people who are concerned about us. Especially if you have like loved ones, like parents at home who are concerned about your well-being. Just explain to them, okay, that you need some time alone and you need to figure this thing out yourself. Uh, so then you just do whatever you need to do. All right. You don't need to explain to the whole people, and you don't need anyone to understand what you're doing. Just do it. Uh, it's the same frustrations I met over the years. I try to explain to people that what is personal branding, what is social media, how to make money, how it helps your business, your career. I was sharing with this over the phone, and my friend who's also in the bank, and we were talking about how these days, right, a lot of influencers online, especially those live influencer, those really live, there's not to sell things, no, they sell entertainment. They sing, they dance on live. Yeah, there are apps like that, and people actually give them gifts. I think you all will know a lot of it. They give you gifts, and that gifts can be converted to cash. So we were sharing about how I have a customer who actually does this, and mostly are girls, young girls. Okay, they do this. So it's something like a website, or another social media site you all will know, very famous social media site. I think you all will know, but most of you will know. But it's not that lah. So there are many, many, many other sites like that that sells this entertainment. So I have a customer at least from this website. 1 month easily about 20,000. Sign up with agency. Someone need to give agency. Every month can get 20,000, just by every day going online on the app, right? Then shares, singing, dancing, entertaining people. It's just like that, no? And then there's some who choose to sell things, and my friend got a customer who actually earns 6 figures a month just doing this. So we were talking, and I also was telling him, there's young only, these people young only, 24, 25 years old, 23 years old got. I've seen the youngest is I think 21, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But buy house 21, so 18 can buy mah. So these are people, these girls are buying house, and they're earning so high, I tell you. So I was telling him, I was so frustrated telling these people how these things, right, when you are in the future right now, is you need to be present online to make money. That's what exactly I'm doing right now. You need to be present online and make money. Then my friend tell me, hey Kenny, why you so worked up? Why you so frustrated? Why you so stupid? Those, he just tell me over the phone. I was like, what you mean? Say, you, why you need people to understand? Why don't you just do it yourself? I said, hey, you are right. Why I need people to understand? I just do it myself lah. I just do it lah, right? People can understand, no people cannot understand. I just do it though. Because maybe I'm the only one that can see it, or I explain it not. I explain it. I cannot explain it well, right? So it goes the same thing with you. If you are feeling this way, you are feeling like you're misunderstood. You're feeling like you are the things that you want to do, right? You don't really get support because maybe the way you try to explain. When you try to explain, people is like, this one is not. This one cannot work. This one cannot work, one bro. I tried before, son. But the fact is, you did before, and you know that you are confident that you can do it. All right. Some people, like, they will, how to say, in life, right? They will, once they do this, right, they will find people that can help them. But some people, like myself included, like we need to figure things out ourselves. Sometimes, right, we can only just get the wisdom from other people's sharing, then we need to figure it ourselves, because we need to adapt it to our own goals, our own lifestyle, and what we think. And sometimes our values may clash with people, which is okay. So you don't have to explain your values, you don't have to explain why you need a break, you don't have to explain why you disappear. So today, if you are watching this and if you are listening to me, I just want you to know that you have the permission to do it. The permission is not to get from other people, not to get from society. It's the permission you yourself give yourself. Alright? So take time away as long as you need. Work on projects. Work on yourself. Yourself is also a project. Work on your projects. Work on yourself. Take as long as you need, as time as you need. Okay? When you feel ready, come out. If you're not feel ready, you need to talk to someone, talk to people that loved ones. So it's just like myself, I try to talk to loved ones. I be honest with them. You can just be honest with them, because the more you try to sugarcoat it, the more you talk here and there, it's not going to help lah. So just be honest with them that you need time alone to figure things out yourself and what you're doing. It's not that you are everyday idle, at home doing nothing. You are doing something. Don't just, one thing I just want to say is like, don't just think about it, try. Okay? If you got the resources and the time, you try. Then you'll know whether it works or not. Don't just, I think if you just sitting down there and think about it, you will spiral into a very bad place lah. Okay? So that's it for today. It's a very short, you can call it a vlog. This is Kenny here from Probably Stories, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.